I've never really been able to hit a muscle up before. And to be honest, I haven't really tried them until recently. I just seen people do them and I think they're cool. Therefore, that inspired me to try and learn one and get this down. I can do pull-ups fairly well, but the muscle up is, it's a different story. In this video, we'll be diving into how I learned a muscle up in just 2 days and how you can progress to doing one. Featuring one of my buddies from the past video. His name is Solomon. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. We did a whole training with him. My friend Solomon was making these look like a piece of cake, but I was struggling over here, no cap. Then boom, my neck hurt. Here's a clip from that. Alright guys, I got like a kink in my neck, but it's alright, we're gonna still try and get this muscle up. So, I had to call it the day. I was not successful on that day. So the next day I rested, did more research, and learned more about the muscle up. On day 2, I pretty much just recovered and really focused on getting my neck better because I really felt like it was injured for a sec, but I just had to stretch it out and not do the muscle up as much, so I just focused on doing pull-ups and scapular pull-ups that day. And then the next day, day 3, I went to the gym and this happened.
And he hits it. Go for another. Let's go, baby.
So I felt amazing after I landed that muscle up. I was on cloud 9. Now I want to be of help to you guys and show you how you can progress, because I know a lot of people want to even just be able to do pull-ups. Maybe that's your goal, so I'll show you how to progress it and get to there. The first things to really work on would be lat pull downs. If you can't do any bodyweight pull-ups, like the first initial goal would be to get to 8 bodyweight pull-ups, but if you can't even do that, then lat pull downs would be a great start. Then scapular pull-ups. This is just getting up on the bar, then bringing, not bending like you would with a pull-up, but it's your traps, you're engaging them and then kind of going down. I'll put up a video of it so you guys have a better idea of what I'm talking about. And then in terms of getting up on the muscle up, because it takes some more pushing down strength to push back up, so you got to do dips for that. And that's how you really focus on that, with lat pull downs and dips, and you'll just get better at that over time. And then as your body becomes more athletic, you'll be able to get that muscle up down. I feel like the reason I was able to get this exercise down so fast was because I've been doing pull-ups for years now, and I have that down. I'm able to do it with weights. And I mean, I've been doing dips too. I would say I do a lot more pull-ups than dips, but I was able to get it down fast because I've been already putting in the reps with like the pull-ups and all that. So I've noticed that being able to do the muscle up has increased the quality of my workout session, therefore helping us maximize our potential, which is my mission. And if you're still feeling a bit fed up because you can't do the muscle up, then don't worry, because it's probably just because you got your fitness routine wrong. That's why you should check out this video next, because it might just completely change the way you think about your fitness routine.